Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can use dual WhatsApp, how to make a double apps on Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your phone manager app, click on more, and here you can see if there is a clone. Here it is app cloner. Tap on here to clone these apps, you can see, and you can just clone the app from here like Facebook, and it is created, then Amazon, and you can see there are two Facebook showing and there are two Amazon showing. You can see here it is and here it is. You can run your second account on it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.